Utilities are finding the advantage of using both Pisa anchors and square shaft anchors to solve their anchoring requirements. The Chance square shaft drive tool attaches to the Chance locking dog assembly, making it easy for crews to be ready to install either family of anchors. Crews that install screw anchors will often have a need to install either Pisa anchors or square shaft multi-helix anchors, depending on the application. Pisa anchors are typically used for distribution guying and require a 7-foot-long hollow tube drive wrench to install the anchor and rod. Square shaft anchors are a great choice for softer soils and higher guy load requirements. Following is a demonstration of a square shaft anchor installation using the square shaft drive tool. An anchor installation tooling set for either a Pisa anchor or a square shaft anchor includes a Kelly bar adapter, torque indicator, and locking dog assembly. Depending on the installation torque needed, Chance offers standard 10,000 foot-pound tooling and Tough One 15,000 foot-pound tooling. The Kelly bar, torque indicator, and locking dog assembly are attached to each other in the order shown using the bolts provided with each tool. To go from installing round rod Pisa anchors to square shaft anchors, an installer only needs the addition of a square shaft drive wrench. This tool is only 12 inches long and is easily stored on the truck with other tools. Once the anchor tooling string is assembled, attach it to the truck's Kelly bar using the bent arm pin and coil lock supplied with the Kelly bar adapter. When installing a square shaft anchor, pull and rotate the rings of the locking dog assembly to the outer position to allow the square shaft drive wrench to be installed into the locking dog assembly. When aligned, rotate the rings to lock the drive tool in place. Simply remove the bent arm pin and coil lock from the drive tool so the tooling string can be lowered onto the anchor and aligned. The alignment window that makes it easy for the operator to attach the anchor to the tooling. Use the bent arm pin and coil lock that was previously removed from the square shaft drive tool to attach the anchor. Give the anchor a tug to ensure everything is secure before beginning installation. For complete instructions on square shaft anchor installation, watch this video available on Hubbell TV. Visit www.hpsdelivers.com/anchors to find Chance anchor drive tools for your next job.